Hey, let me show you the best features of the Redmi Watch 4. And first of all, we are going to start from the apps menu. And first of all, what I really like about this watch and the Mi Fitness application, that we can find our smartphone thanks to the Find Phone application, thanks to the Find Phone function. So you have to just open it, click search, and there we go. Now if you lost your smartphone, you can actually find it with this feature. And also you can do the same and find your watch. So when you open the Mi Fitness application on your smartphone and then scroll down, go into the Find Device, you can click to Find Device and find your watch. The next function that I really like, it's definitely the camera shutter. So you can just open it on your watch. The same, you can open it on your smartphone. And now click that we got it. There we go. And now we can just take the photo. As you can see, the photo was taken. So if you put your phone on the tripod, you don't have to press on the shutter because you can control this shutter with your watch. And also we can add the 3 or 5 seconds delay. So that's really cool. And next, go back into the settings. The next option that I really like is the option to control our media. So when I'm gonna play YouTube, Spotify or YouTube Music, I can turn the next song, previous song, I can play and pause, and also I can adjust the volume level of the media that is currently playing. Next, what I really like is definitely option to make the phone calls. So we can open the phone. Now we can manually input some phone numbers or even pick something from the favorite contacts. And the favorite contacts actually appears just right here. So if you add them in the application, they will be visible and you can actually input here 10 contacts. Next, let's go above. You can also measure your sleep. So I can recommend you to go for the settings and enable the advanced monitor scoring, click OK, and also you can measure your breathing. It's actually called the breathing score, but it's actually measure your breathing on the night. Next, we can also measure the blood oxygen level, the blood saturation, and also we can turn it on to measure it all day. So if you want to get for the results from the all day, you can simply turn on all day tracking, and also we can enable the low SpO2 alerts. And so we can set, for example, 90, 85 or 80%. And it actually works the same when you go for the heart rate. So we can get this settings. There we go. And you can turn on this continuous monitoring, for example, every minute. And when you go back, you can also enable the high heart rate alert and low heart rate alert. And also we got the list of a lot of different workouts. From this you can find list of like almost everything. That's crazy. And what we can also find on this watch is definitely option to remove water from it. So we can click here. And now it is actually taking the water out of the watch thanks to this speaker. And from this you can also go into the settings where we can actually find the always on display. So from this you can turn on the always on display and you can get your time all the time on the screen. You don't have to turn on the screen or raise your wrist. It will be visible all the time. And yeah, and that's all. That's my favorite features of the Redmi Watch 4. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.